Every day, people around the world work and play on ground prepared by Keller. And we keep working while you build connections, honor traditions, and plan for the future. Because we care. We care about communities as we are part of them. We build infrastructures that adds value and connects people. We bring you places, from home to work, from one country to another. We care about people by prioritizing safety and investing in our people in order to serve others. We implement the highest safety standard to make sure our people work safe and go home safe. And we pay attention to the smallest details so that your homes, workplaces, and surroundings are safe and sound. We care about the environment by optimizing our solutions to create a sustainable future. We use our resources efficiently, minimize our carbon impact, implement alternative construction methods, and actively help our clients make better, greener choices. Most importantly, we care about you. We prioritize quality and safety to improve how we deliver products, services, and solutions. We leverage our global pool of expertise to focus on local communities. We collaborate with integrity and excellence to create a safe and sustainable future for you. Because we care. Keller, global strength and local focus.